Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 different nights that I was cleaning my kitchen and my dining room area. I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean it, and I hope that this video motivates you guys to cleaning your home as well. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Delia Mireya. On this channel, you will find cleaning, beauty, and lifestyle videos. I did share a vlog recently, and I will be sharing more soon on my channel. It's just that I'm trying to share with you guys all the videos that I have so far. That way I don't get backed up with anything. It's a big mess, you guys. We went grocery shopping, so you're gonna be seeing me disinfect fruits, vegetables, and how I'm gonna be putting everything away, the eggs in the fridge. I'm also gonna be washing a couple of dishes that need to be washed, cleaning my kitchen. I like to work with a clean kitchen, especially in the mornings when I wake up. I don't want to wash any dishes, and this time around in the summer I cannot leave any dirty dishes at night because many reasons, you guys. The ants are coming in, they're crawling in through any space that they can find in my home, and then I wake up to a whole bunch of ants. Like, it's not the first time it's happened a couple of times. It just doesn't let me sleep when I have dirty dishes. I'm like, I have to get up, I can't go to sleep, even though if I'm tired, like, I know that I have to clean up my house. I need to wash those dishes. I also like to clean with vinegar. It's a DIY cleaner that I made myself at home. You can also make it yourself in a spray bottle. It can be either cleaning vinegar or the white vinegar, and I use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and water. That's what I use in combination. I've read that ants don't like the smell of vinegar, so I think that's why they haven't crawled up on my kitchen counters. Now, they did crawl up the other day, but they were in the floor because my son had left some crumbs, and this was during the day. It's like, ants, come on, just give me a second. I was about to clean it. Yeah, I was gonna clean everything, like clean my floors at night. That's when I do it sometimes, because if I clean it in the morning, then it gets dirty again throughout the day. So by the time I got to thinking about cleaning it, the ants had already came into my house. If you guys have any tips or anything that could help me get rid of ants, or for the ants not to come inside my house, please let me know in the comments below. I would really appreciate it so much. If you guys saw my previous video, it was cleaning after my husband's birthday party, and we did a couple of balloon popping. I'd like to thank each and every one of you guys that watched my video, that gave me a like on that video. I'm planning a similar video for next week. It's gonna be a surprise birthday party, and we're also gonna be doing a couple of balloon popping. Those balloons have a surprise inside them, so stick around, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notifications. That way you're notified of all my upcoming videos. I was so tired. It was very late at night. I cleaned the kitchen, I washed the dishes, and I cleaned or disinfected the fruits and vegetables, and then I'm like, you know what, I just need to go to bed. I'm too tired. So I ended up doing a before and after clip to share with you guys in the morning, but I did do the cleaning at night. I'm also going to be cleaning my cooktop. I'm going to be using my Women cleaner, which is my favorite, to clean my stovetop. This is what I've used for years, and I hadn't seen this cleaner, like with the box, the kit at Walmart. That's where I purchased it, and I hadn't seen it in so many months, and I finally saw it, and I was like, I need to take one home again because one of my sponges was already really old, and also the blade broke. But this broke after about maybe 2 years of use, so it wasn't a cheap blade. It's just that I would use it so often, and it was gonna happen one day or another because I would give it like everyday use. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how I cleaned my son's bedroom. There was just toys everywhere and books as well. I did donate about 2 bags of books, but I know I have to go through the books one more time. One reason why I like to clean at night is because that's when everyone is asleep. I feel like I don't bother anyone. My son's sleeping. Sometimes when I'm cleaning his room, he wants me to read books or to play with him, and I can't say no to him. So that takes a little bit of my time when I'm actually wanting to dedicate my full time to cleaning. So that's why I've been doing my late night cleanings. Obviously, when I'm cleaning his room, it's not at night, but I wanted to share with you guys. I do prefer to clean at night because I feel like I'm not in anyone's way. Like, no one's gonna be needing me at that time, at night and I can get things done and accomplished. Question of the day, you guys. How many mamas out there? How many moms are watching my video? So my son's gonna be starting kindergarten this year and I am a bit nervous. I feel like I'm gonna be those mamas that cry on the first day of school. Please let me know if this has happened to you guys with your children. How do you guys feel about your kids returning to school? Any advice that you guys could give me, I would really appreciate it. I hope that you guys found the motivation that you guys needed to cleaning your home, your bedroom, or just any motivation to clean at night. Thank you guys again for watching. May God bless each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.